Title: The Mighty Forest. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a group of animals. They included squirrels, rabbits, birds, and deer. They all got along well and helped each other in times of need. The forest was a vibrant and beautiful place, full of life and joy. One day, a powerful storm swept through the forest, destroying many of the trees and homes of the animals. The animals were devastated and didn't know how to rebuild. They realized that if they worked together, they could overcome this challenge. The wise old owl suggested a plan. The squirrels gathered twigs and leaves, the rabbits dug holes for shelter, the birds flew high and provided guidance, and the deer carried heavy branches. Everyone had a role, and they all worked as a team. As they worked together, the forest slowly began to recover. New homes were built, and the trees started to grow again. The animals felt a deep sense of unity and strength as they saw the results of their combined efforts. The storm had taught them an important lesson, that when they were united and worked together, they could overcome any obstacle. The forest was not just a collection of different animals. It was a community where everyone played a part in making it a wonderful place to live. Morale of the story: in unity, we find strength.